Okay guys, so just imagine yourself in a space just like this astronaut, and that too with having a me. So there is one thing which you cannot do in space, that is yeah, you read it very correctly, that you cannot burp in space. Yes, it is true. Okay then, let's just see why is it so. So if we know that earth has a gravity due to which solids and liquids in our belly get settled down, whereas the gases stays separated and we get burp. But in space there is no gravity, so the gases, solids and liquids all stays together and gases does not separate, so you cannot burp in space. I hope you like this video. For more such videos, please do like, share and comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.